Swipe 1, ready to dodge. Dodge it. Oh, this parrot is going fucking nuts. Oh my god.
What's it with the
What
boat?
the fuck is
Oh my
that?
god, the spirits. Jesus Christ, the pack a punch.
And keep up the deeps, get rid of those last 3 spirits, guys.
They should be gone, I think.
Good, good. Ready to jump. 3, 2, 1, jump. Oh my god, this parrot, shut up!
If it's not your cat or your dog, then it's
Swipe 1, ready to dodge.
Ah, fuck.
Dodge it. Pick him up, pick him up, pick him up. Keep the DPS. 1. 2.
Kill the parrot, please.
On my
Kill the
count.
parrot.
3, 2, 1. CC now, CC now, CC now.
Overshot.
A bit more. Okay, up, move back slightly, move slightly. There you go. Pick him up, pick him up, pick him up. We need to push the phase now, guys. Can we get those orbs cleared near the south side? South side orbs cleared, please. Dodge.
Yeah, clear now.
I'm dead.
Yeah.
Swipe 1. Oh my god, it's that Swipe 3, ready to dodge. Okay, push the phase. If you don't push the phase now, then it's alright. Keep pushing.
It's away.
Push the phase. You can do it, guys.
Please face, please face.
Please phase.
Kaboom!
Ah! Alright, guys. I need to kind of strangle a parrot back in.
A fucking god, man.
Holy shit.
I'm outside.
But to be honest, I'm taking way too much damage from the retail. Like, it's ridiculous.
Maybe delay your meteor shower until after you break it.
Also pop your frost flash freeze. Oh no. Is there a repair armor here somewhere?